29 forecast.
There's the view of the sun coming up this morning. It's captured by Warren Fulton Jolly View. Yes, the start of another hot day, and that we did. Another day 4 of this ongoing September heat wave. Let's take a look outside now and look at things. And this is our view from the mountain camera seen from Carter Mountain. We look off to the west. You can kind of see the hazy outline of the Blue Ridge there, but lots of sunshine here this afternoon baking down. Once again, the airport hit 99 for an afternoon high, and that's 3 consecutive days now with 99 as an afternoon high at the airport. Day 4 of the ongoing heat wave. 95 currently. It still feels close to 100 with a dew point there at the airport of 70. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 94, 96 the afternoon high, dew point of 63. It still feels like it's in the upper 90s in terms of the real field temperature. 93 currently in Madison. We have 94 in Louisa, 92 in Dillon, 92 there in Waynesboro, and 94 in Harrisonburg. And again, still hanging out around 100, 101 here at this 6 o'clock hour. So temperatures only slowly fall back here. Now we're going to venture out to the mountains well west of Harrisonburg. This is well west on Route 33. This is a nearly stationary thunderstorm. It's producing some damaging winds and likely some hail, and that's why the extreme western portions of Rockingham County is under a severe thunderstorm warning. This goes back into Pendleton County, West Virginia. Not much movement with that. Right now, a warning until 7 o'clock. Tomorrow, we have an opportunity for some storms, and going up in this atmosphere could certainly yield some strong to severe storms. Meanwhile, out to our west, more cloudiness, and that's ahead of our next summer cool front. More on that in a moment. Temperatures overnight, upper 60s to lower 70s. Tomorrow, it's still hot. It's just not as hot as it has been, with low and mid 90s, and there'll be a few storms that'll crop up during the afternoon. A marginal risk for severe weather is outlined across much of the region tomorrow. The main threat's going to be damaging wind gusts and some spotty hail, but not everyone sees rain. Now, as we move into Friday, temperatures will come down a bit more, around 90, with a few more scattered storms. This cool front is basically going to stall out over the weekend, and that'll give rise to not only cooler temperatures, more cloud cover, but some occasional bouts with some showers and storms. So the ridge is beginning to break down, and meanwhile you look out across the Ohio Valley, you see some of the cloudiness, and those clouds and some of the showers and storms will inch a little closer to us starting tomorrow, but this front's in no hurry to get here. Again, it's plenty hot this afternoon once again as this sweltering September heat wave continues. This is now Hurricane Lee, which was expected. The infrared satellite's pretty beautiful here. You can see the outflow here to the north and the outflow to the south, and it will continue to strengthen as it moves over not only warm waters, but low wind shear environment. So this is forecast to move north of Puerto Rico by the end of the weekend. It's about 1,300 miles east of the northern Leeward Islands, and as we move into Saturday and Sunday, you've got a Cat 4 right now with winds of 145 miles an hour. So moving into next week, the question is, when does Lee make the turn, because it's being steered by high pressure to the north. So we'll have to watch of when exactly that turn will happen, but there's going to be a major hurricane off the eastern seaboard pretty darn close later next week. Temperatures in the morning, 60s and 70s, will heat up, and we'll start to see some storms develop during the afternoon. There we are, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Not everyone sees rain, then those will fade away, and then we'll start Friday morning dry before more storms will start to develop as we move into the afternoon, early evening. Tonight then, mostly clear, mild and muggy, mid-60s to low 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures starting to back down. Again, still hot tomorrow, but there'll be some storms around. And then look at temperatures as we move into the weekend, Casey and Steve. Will hang out in the 80s. Again, some more storm chances into next week. And of course, we can certainly use any rain. It is just parched dry.
And the cooler temperatures.
Yes.
We could use both.
Yes.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.